So we are setting up the tank bag today. First of all, hi guys, my name is Malcolm D'Souza, and I started this channel called Ready Set Clutch back in 2015, 2016. I don't really know the timeline now. I'll check it out and put like a picture here on the screen. I started this channel back then, and the purpose was to make DIY videos, educational content, something to do for bikes, something where people can actually benefit from it. And of course, there were 100 other channels doing these things, and then YouTube got kind of convoluted, got kind of filled with all crap. People actually started watching rage content, people started watching accident videos. Even I started watching them because they were so in my feed all the time. Not like I wanted them there, and it wasn't about awareness. People are just it was just clickbait stuff. So people were making that sort of content, and then eventually I was like, यार लोग को ऐसा content देखना है, तो why should I even do it? Why? There are a few channels that are doing good content, let them do it, and I will stick to other stuff, which I am doing. I do other things for other channels and so on and so forth. But the thing is, I've seen a shift happening now online, and rage content still happens, there's no doubt. There is still rage content, but along with the rage content there is a shift. So you'll notice this thing, I don't know if you notice it often, where if you post something, like anyone who's a creator, if you post something that is helpful, that is informative, it doesn't instantly pick up, because I feel to actually enjoy something informative, to enjoy something that has value, you need to take your time, sit down, watch it properly, understand it if you want to. Understand it. You will want to understand it, of course. And that's it. Rage content, yaar, chalte firte mein dikh jata hai. Like, you're in a train, you run a reel, someone's fighting, someone's doing some wheelies on the road, someone's evading cops, and whatnot, right? और भी बहुत होता है. This is just like basic stuff that I'm talking about. So I just want to do this again. I just want to get started with good content. If I'm going to do this, there has to be some place to start, right? So someone horning from behind excessively. The left signal is open. Finally, I'm on the road. So my first topic for today is something to do with roads, and to do with your skill, and to do with the quality of roads as well. Basically, it's not you, it's them type of a situation if this was a relationship. Let's get right into it. But let's get onto the highway first. To get cut all through this traffic just to be at the top of the road, but no one's gonna have it. Hey, look at me now. Look at me now. Getting capped. And so I have this 2015 Suzuki Gixxer 155cc. It's been going strong. Like, I've had it serviced, I've had it maintained. Everything is good. Tires. This is my third set of tires actually, based on my usage. The problem though is, when I got the bike, when I used to take the highway, when I used to take anything, I used to try and bend into a corner, little bit, not much. Naya bike tha, to sab try karna tha tabhi. And I had so much confidence doing it, because the bike always felt planted to the road. Now if I try to do these things, if I try to sway a little bit or bend in most cases, because I'm using regular tires, and even if I switch to a little more expensive ones, I don't think that will make much of a difference. The bike seems to slip slightly. Of course, this is my opinion. You can have different opinions. Don't beat me up in the comments for this. Here's my deduction. In 2015, 2016 or until then, we had 90% tar roads. Everywhere it was tar. डांबर का रोड बना था. डांबर का रोड बना था. डांबर जो है ना, like tar is porous in nature, ठीक है? And good quality tar, which is porous in nature, will give you superior grip, which is why that is what they use on racetrack and wherever. Like that's one level of quality that they use. But with tar roads, because of the porous nature, जब बारिश होता है, और because we have heavy truck movement in Mumbai, and because we have reckless riders as well, reckless drivers, that breaks very fast. Like, I have seen tar roads go from 100 to 0% in like one day. Now what I'm talking about is good quality tar roads. Let's not even get to जब tar में मिलावट होता है, when they use materials that are not supposed to be used and they make it inferior quality. फिर तो यार road, like, why you even doing it, right? So I think that's the whole corruption part of it, but why get into it? सबको मालूम है. Now we have this concretization happening. There are many reasons why it's happening. There's a profit. There's someone is benefiting out of it as well, of course. But I don't think it is us. See, the thing is, with concrete roads, concrete will last longer. Concrete से building बनता है, so concrete will last longer. It won't break very fast, and the durability है. But concrete is not as porous as tar roads. The one at least that we are using here. Based on how we make it now, even the concrete has so many blemishes. The concrete has so many problems that even if you try, you're not going to get that level of grip on the road, because concrete is concrete. Concrete is not porous, not very porous in nature. It is going to be slippery. It's so smooth that you are not going to enjoy that ride. And of course, if it's not cleaned properly, if it's not maintained, it's going to get worse. So if you think that it is your skill, if कुछ तो हुआ है, कुछ तो बाइक में issue है. Now I have checked everything in my bike. मैंने तो bushing भी change किया, क्योंकि the bushings were old. Swing arm के जो rubbers है, that was changed, and suspension change हुआ है. Everything is done. So हो गया. The bike is the best. When on a tar road, the bike is amazing, and good tar road, not this stuff that I'm saying here. I don't even know what this is anymore. It's so shiny. When I take it on concrete, कुछ try मत करो concrete पे पहली बार. And if there's water on the concrete road, कुछ मत करो. Like, just go straight, go slow. Be very mindful about how you're riding or driving, for that matter. So that's the concrete problem. It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Again, my opinion. Please, if you have your own opinions, put them in the comments. But be nice. This is a public channel. Try and be as nice as possible to people. बॉट्स तो आते रहते हैं और रेज पेटर्स तो आते रहते हैं, तो वो तो होने ही वाला है. बट एज मच एज पॉसिबल गाइस, प्लीज जस्ट डोंट डू इट. डोंट डिमीन समवन, इवन मी. डोंट डिमीन मी. और यू कैन यार, लाइक देख लेंगे बाद में. Unfortunately, I think we are moving to concrete roads across Mumbai. I don't know if that is limited to the interior roads, like SV Road, Linking Road, or is it going to extend to the highways? Like, I know some patches have it, but completely होने वाला नहीं होने वाला क्या scene है, I don't know. Again, really miss the quality of tar we used back in the day. I wish we had something like that again. Does not seem like it's going to happen at all. Oh, I spoke a lot. See, this is concrete, and I don't think if I got expensive tires. Firstly, why should I need to buy an expensive set of tires to be safe on the road? Like, I shouldn't need to buy tires that are expensive or have better grip just to be safe on the road. It should start from the road, and if I want to improve from there or get even more than what should be given to me for safety, then that is on me. Slow moving traffic today. Slow moving traffic, extremely slow moving.